name is Paul. I'm 21 years old and I'm going to perform Torpe by Idol. Pag ito'y kasama, di man lang makasali. Kung malaman ang tunay kong naramdaman, maybe I've lost it. The first moment we met, first day ng klase. Ikaw bang nakatabi noong una di maliit? Ako ba ka ba? Laging natutunan, gusto pala kita. Iyak straight now, kaya ko na ba? Never mind, hindi pa. Never mind, wag na pala. Ibigay lahat, whatever that you need. Pwede mo tuwag, be with you my darling. Girl, you know what's up, let my act sweet. I'll promise, baby, I wanna say this to you. My gusto, gusto sa'yo, I'll let you know. Maybe someday, maybe sometime. Di mo torpe, sana di mo torpe. Di mo torpe, sana di mo torpe. Di mo torpe, sana di mo torpe. Di mo torpe, sana di mo torpe.